In this 2-minute tech tip, we're gonna be restoring that black plastic on your dirt bike to brand new again, and we're gonna take something like this and turn it into something like this. Stay tuned. So usually you're gonna start with some dirty part on your bike like this, and it's pretty easy just to clean the dirt off of that tank. But even after you've cleaned it, that tank still seems to have lost that new bike shine. So what you're gonna do is pick up some of this Cerakote Trim Coat to restore the finish of that tank, etc. So what it is, it's a durable ceramic coating that bonds to the pores of unpainted plastic trim, restoring it to its original appearance. And it's supposed to last 200 washes or more. So you're getting super bang for your buck with the Cerakote Trim Coat. So the package also comes with rubber gloves like I've got on right now. And I highly recommend wearing some type of respirator because this stuff stinks. Open up the garage, wear the respirator. I even still smell it through the respirator, so highly recommended. So the stuff is pretty much just like a wipe. You'll open the package, and it's like a cleaning wipe. Just wipe the wipe along the part. You can even hit your gas cap with it. So here we go, we got the finished product right here. It literally looks like brand new again. The package suggests taking about 30 minutes for this to completely dry, but man, it's looking like a brand new gas tank again, not dull. So where else on the bike can you use this Cerakote Trim Coat? Well, it can be used to clean up those white scuff marks on blue Yamaha tanks, or even on your air boots. I wouldn't suggest using it on the side of the airbox where the graphic goes because I don't know how well the graphics would stick after using this. I'm sure some of you might have tried the WD-40 route before. The WD-40 route works great for about a ride or two, but then it's just looking like crap again. So I got a link in my description for the Cerakote Trim Coat below. Really helps support the channel when you guys do that, so I appreciate that a bunch. But that's gonna be a wrap on this 2-minute tech tip. As always guys, ride hard, be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.